In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat for Instagram. Let's get started by opening your web browser and typing in manychat.com into the address bar. This will take you to the main site, where you'll typically find a login or sign up button right on the homepage. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Manychat dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your automations and integrations. The next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Settings section. Once there, look for the Instagram option. This is where you'll connect your Instagram account to Manychat, which is an essential step for managing your communications and automations effectively. When you're in the Instagram settings, you'll see an option to Add New Account or Connect your Instagram account. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to go to Instagram. This step opens a new window where you'll need to log in to your Instagram account. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password to avoid any connectivity issues. After successfully logging into your Instagram account, the next step is crucial. You'll be asked to grant permissions that allow Manychat to access your Instagram account. This is essential for Manychat to interact with your account's functionalities, so be sure to review and grant all the necessary permissions. With your Instagram account now connected, you're back at the Manychat dashboard. This is your control center for creating and managing all your automations. From here, head over to the Automation tab. This is where the fun begins, as you can start creating a new flow tailored to your needs. To kick things off, you'll need to define a trigger. A trigger is an event that initiates your automation. Typical triggers could be a user commenting on a specific post or someone sending a direct message to your Instagram account. By setting these triggers, you're telling Manychat when to activate a particular automation sequence. Next, it's time to design your automation flow. This is where the drag-and-drop flow builder comes into play, allowing you to add various elements seamlessly. You can create messages that include text, links, and buttons to guide user interaction. For example, if a user comments a specific word on one of your posts, your automation can be set to send them a personalized, direct message containing a link to a product or a freebie. Once your flow is designed to your liking, you're ready to activate it. Go ahead and set your automation live. Monitoring is the final piece of the puzzle. By keeping an eye on your performance data within the Manychat dashboard, you can track metrics like comment interactions and click-through rates to see how your automation is performing in real time. And there you have it, your complete guide to using Manychat for Instagram in just a few simple steps. With these tools at your disposal, you can now engage with your audience more efficiently and effectively.